kids, are you ready to mix some colors? Grab your brushes and let's go! Whoosh! Red paint here, blue paint there. Swirl them up and spin the air. Mix them around, what do we see? Yeah, you got it, that's the key. Red and blue, mix it up, what do we see? Purple, yeah, you got it, that's the color for me. Mix it up in the color machine. Blue and yellow in the pot. Stir, stir. Now we've made the color green. Ha, ha. Whoosh! Yellow sun and red balloon. Mix them up, we'll see it soon. Round and round, let's make it bright. Orange pops up, what a sight! Red and blue, mix it up, what do we see? Red, blue, yeah, you got it, that's the color for me. Mix it up in the color machine. Glitter and color, not pot. Stir, stir, now we made the color pot. Ha, ha. Shh, what happens if we mix all three? Blood, red, blue, and yellow. 1, 2, 3. Mix it slow, then faster now. Neat brown appears. Wow, wow, wow. Red and blue, mix it up. What do we see? Red and blue, you got it. That's the color for me. Yellow and blue, let's mix again. Green is shiny, tell your friends. Red and yellow, what's that hue? Share maybe make for me an orange you catch. Ha, push, clap, clap. Woo! You did it! You're all color mixing experts. Now go paint the world with color.